In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can unlock Safesearch in just a couple of minutes. First, open Google Chrome. Then move to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now look over to the left side menu and click Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Security. Then scroll a little further until you see Use Secure DNS. Click on it. If it's enabled with a custom provider, change it to use your current service provider. Once you've made the change, go back and check whether Safesearch is now unlocked. If it's still locked, don't worry. Now open your device's settings. Inside Settings, tap Connections. Then tap More Connection Settings. Next, tap Private DNS. Now select either Automatic or Off, depending on the options available on your device. Then tap Save. Now go back to your browser and refresh the Google page. In many cases, this will unlock Safesearch. If Safesearch is still locked, you may also need to clear your browser cache and cookies. Then reopen your browser and check again. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.